How are you managing your compressed air system maintenance? Chances are your compressor is serviced in-house with the common struggle to plan maintenance around the availability and high cost of parts. With Ingersoll Rand PartsCARE, you receive parts exactly when you need them, as well as extended equipment coverage. Our PartsCARE program provides genuine OEM parts at a guaranteed price to make equipment maintenance reliably predictable. Choose from parts reminders or automated shipments to keep oil-flooded rotary screw compressors operating at all times. PartsCARE assures fast delivery so you have the right part at the right time and right price. Genuine OEM quality for optimized pressure drops and thermal conductivity. Rigorous parts testing to assure product specifications, and less downtime by having parts and lubricants in advance. We are so confident that our PartsCARE program can improve your system, we'll add 4 years of coverage to your errand. Only Ingersoll Rand offers the service, support, and quality you expect with PartsCARE for peak efficiency and performance. It's just one more way we care for you and your business.